Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about troubleshooting some ways to fix your YouTube app if it's not working on your smart TV. So the first thing you want to do is to just turn off your TV for about 5 or 10 minutes, then turn it back on. This may fix your problem. The next thing you want to do is check your network connection. As you see here, I have my Roku TV for this example. So to do that on your Roku TV, you want to go to Settings, Network, and check Connection. And it'll check that for you. So if it's still not working, you can try to update your YouTube app. So to do that, you just go to your app, wherever you have it at, hit the star button, then hit check for updates. And if it has any updates, it'll do that for you. Now, if your TV is able to do this, you can also clear the cache of your YouTube app. To do this, just go to your TV's settings and to the app section and find the YouTube app and clear the cache. Another thing you can do is just reinstall the app. So you can just go down to your app, uninstall it, and head back to Add Apps, type in the app you want, alright, and then now that's done. Hopefully that fixed the problem. Now if it didn't, another thing you could do is go into the YouTube app, sign out of your account and sign back in. Maybe that'll fix it. And one last thing you could do is do a factory reset. You just want to go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, and then Factory Reset, and then go through the prompts on that. Alright, that's it for this one, guys. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.